CD had their second-round playoff game on Saturday against Harrisburg, where they unfortunately lost 21-9. CD had a good defensive game. Peyton Wiley stood out with 2 picks, holding the Cougars to only 7 points going into the half. On offense, Robbie Jimenez had 1 field goal, and Peyton Wiley had 1 touchdown. Despite the Rams' defense, Harrisburg still managed to have 2 rushing touchdowns in the second half, strengthening their lead by 12 points. Here's Coach Rossler with his thoughts on the game.
We played an awesome first half. We did exactly what we tried to do. The kids executed the game plan, kept it close. It was 7-3 at half. And then the second half, they kind of made a QB change, and they had a little success with that second QB they brought in. But we fought hard to the end and scored on the last play. And to be honest with you, I'm really, really proud of our effort on Saturday, and that's all you can expect out of those boys, a fight to the end.